Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 2. So we are going to explain you product and proper product formula. This function multiples a group of numbers together. It is the same as using 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 10 multiply by 3 multiply by 7, which result is 6300. Formula details, no need to mention anything, just mention product, select your number of series, bracket close, and then enter. You'll get your result. Formatting required or not? No formatting is required, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. One more thing, complete details, means this video complete details available in description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference, but for that you have to subscribe this channel. And we have a multiple, means we have another videos as well in which we already explained product, power, proper, pi and permit formula with multiple examples. Now move into a next formula, proper formula. This function converts the first letter of each word to uppercase and all the subsequent letter are converted to lowercase. This is very useful formula, guys, if you're working on large database. So I'm repeating again, this function converts the first letter of each word to uppercase and all the subsequent letter are converted to lowercase. Proper, you just need to select your text, bracket close, enter, you'll get your result. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel, and we have a separate videos as well in which we already explain all these formula with multiple example, different kind of example. So if you are facing any kind of difficulties to understand how this formula works, please check those videos. But for that you have to subscribe this channel. Please share your comments so that we'll try to improve ourselves as per your requirement. Have a great day, have a great future, and practice to make